Given these equations, 2 raised to the power of x equals 3, 3 raised to the power of y equals 5, and 10 raised to the power of z equals 8, then our goal in this question is to find the value of c, not the numerical value, but the value of c in terms of x and y. Now, pause this video right now and see if you can answer this question, because I will show you the solution in 3, 2, 1. Given these equations, 2 raised to the power of x equals 3, 3 raised to the power of y equals 5, 10 raised to the power of z equals 8. The goal is to find the value of z, not the numerical value, but in terms of x and y. Because if we want the numerical value of z, take the logarithm of both sides in the third equation, then we get that z equals logarithm of 8 to the base of 10. But we don't care the numerical value of c. We care to the value of c in terms of x and y. So let's get these two equations. And notice, these three, we can simply rewrite this as 2 raised to the power of x. So these three right over here in this equation, we can replace this with 2 raised to the power of x, technically speaking. And now, let's focus on this result. Now, the left-hand side of our equation, 2 raised to the power of x raised to the power of y, if we simplify this, we get 2 raised to the power of x times y. Now, at this point, let's set aside this result. And now, let's get the third equation, 10 raised to the power of z equals 8. Now, we know 10 simply equal to 2 times 5 for sure. 2 times 5 simply equal to 10. And here comes this equation. Because this 5 right over here, we can rewrite this as 2 raised to the power of x times y. So we can replace this with 2 raised to the power of x times y. Now, we have the same base of 2, and we have here an exponent of 1. Therefore, we can simplify this expression inside the parentheses as 2 raised to the power of x plus 1. And then, simplifying this expression, let's multiply this z to the exponent of 2. So this is just 2 raised to the power of z multiplied by x times y plus 1. Now here comes the 8. This 8, we know 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3. Now we have the same base. We have equal expression. Therefore, we can say that their exponent are equal. So z multiplied by xy plus 1 equals 3. And to solve for the value of z, what we're going to do is to divide both sides by x times y plus 1. And there you have it. So given 2 raised to the power of x equals 3, 3 raised to the power of y equals 5, and 10 raised to the power of z equals 8, then the value of z in terms of x and y is simply equal to 3 over x times y plus 1. And as always, we are done.